Today we're working on the new iPhone SE from 2020. You can tell the SE from the iPhone 8 based on the centered logo in the back and the lack of text. This one is cracked, disabled, and doesn't seem to respond to touch. That's okay, we can fix this up with a new screen. As I work a metal pry tool around the edges, I'm finding it suspiciously easy to open. There doesn't seem to be any adhesive left. There it is. A prior repair, likely from the local mall as it's lacking the entire LCD shield and proximity board shield, as well as missing screws. I'll remove what screws remain. Thankfully it looks like they didn't put them in the wrong holes at least. I'll temporarily reboot the system to make disconnecting the battery a bit safer, which is pretty important. It also may help prevent it from disabling for even longer. We've got all 4 tri-wing screws securing the home button in place. I'll get those out of the way before moving up to the proximity and ear speaker assembly. The previous repair person seems to have forgotten a screw or two up here, but you get what you pay for, I suppose. I'll slip the ear speaker out from under the ribbon cable connecting the selfie camera. After that, I'll unclip the Lego style home button connector. With some poorly edited finger snap magic and a little help from the heat gun, I'll get these 2 components off the damaged screen. Slipping in the new unbroken replacement screen, pulling off the adhesive protector will leave a sticky spot to attach the proximity flex. It's important that the 2 square modules are fitted properly into the top housing, otherwise the ear speaker will likely bulge out and not close properly. Flipping the screen around, I push out the plastic protector from the inside to feed the home button through. Now we'll need to slip the ribbon flex under the extension coming out of the LCD. The home button can be damaged easily if stretched too far. Now I'll tighten 2 of the tri-wings that hold the home button bracket in place. If you look closely, you'll see this repair power move of pulling the ribbon cables upward so the block isn't pinched when we attach the screen later. It should hold securely in place after the last tri-wing is tightened. Grabbing a flathead, I'll clean the chassis inside of whatever adhesive might have been left. With the rest of the phone undamaged, I'd like to get this one as close to factory as possible. Some 3M tape primer will help the water and dust resistant gasket stick securely to the frame. I'll double check that the phone displays before closing it up. Keen eyes will have noticed it was at 1% before starting the repair, so it is very much flat at this moment. I'll get what's left of the shields and screws replaced inside, before sealing it up with the 2 pentalobes at the bottom. Once on life support, the phone seems to be working well. I'll get this phone tested out in about an hour whenever it re-enables. Thanks a ton for joining me. Stick around for more repair content, and I'll see you next time.